I mean, yeah, the journey has been really great. It's been long 20 years. I've enjoyed every bit of it. It's been tough. It's been tough as a player. Only a player can tell you what his mind and body is up to. But then, as long as I've worked hard for all this 20 years, it's been remarkable. I mean, my 304 against services in the Ranji Trophy game 2 years back on the 21st October. I think many people told me on the same day you're retiring from the game when you got. It was coincidence for me. I didn't know that 21st October I had got my triple 100, and I'm retiring on the same day 2 years after that. But the memories, had fond memories of the 300. It was tough initially to start off the season, and then to get a triple 100 was remarkable. Again, when we one more memory comes to my mind was during the time of Noan Zoysa when he was our coach. We happened to qualify for the knockouts of Syed Mushtaq Ali, dominating all the South Zone sides and making it to almost to the finals of the Syed Mushtaq Ali. Those are the memories which I would take with my life, all my life now. IPL, yes, I was a part of KKR, strong led side by Saurabh Ganguly 2010-2011, but then our side was so strong that missing out also feels very proud at that time. I had got runs during the time when they asked me to bat, and then the things didn't quite happen. So all in all, I've gave everything what I had in me as a cricketer. Some things don't work for you, but you have to take it in your strides and move away. In my career, 4 times I got out in 90s, more of 50s, but then all in all it was tough for me. I always wanted to be an impact player and wanted to dominate. Always cherished the opportunities which was bestowed on me as a cricketer. Always loved challenges, always wanted to do well against the best of the bowlers. And sometimes, not getting hundreds hurt, but at the same time, when you're dominating the bowlers, it feels very proud. In the rise of Goan cricket, we had a strong bunch of players during our time. Me, Swapnil, Shadab, Harshad, Robin. All these players had played for a long enough time to express themselves as a cricketer. When you play for long enough, you analyze your game better, which in turn helps you to give more than 100% and give the desired results for the team. The fall in Goa cricket, yes, it happened last year. It was quite painful. Not winning games, getting relegated. It's always painful for a player, especially for a leader. At those times, you accept the responsibility. I did accept my responsibility as a leader, and I wish all the best to the future generation. All the players are young, and if they play for a long time, they'll definitely achieve results for the Goa team. I think all are young, as you have said. All are young cricketers. They need some time. You can't expect results overnight from them. Also, me playing for whatever little I've achieved, I think it has come by playing for almost 20 years, and 20 years it's very long time. So you got to give these youngsters time. They are very talented, and at the same time, if they get good guidance from players like Swapnil, players like Shadab, we have they are in able guidance of Mr. Dodda Ganesh, who has played for India. I think results will come. You just have to persist with them for a longer period of time, and results will come definitely. I think there needs to be more matches played in Goa. I still believe if you play more matches, you become better cricketer. You don't become cricketer by playing in nets. You have to go through those situations, go through the different aspects of the game, wherein you learn how to handle pressure, how to handle every situation. And once you start playing more and more matches, you learn how to get runs, how to get more wickets, and that makes you more confident as a cricketer. So all in all, we need to revive club cricket. As I've said, club cricket is very important. We need to play more competitive cricket like we did during my childhood. So the club cricket, only a strong competitive club cricket can get better results and get better cricketers in future. I think I want to be associated with cricket, maybe coaching. I think I can get the best out of players. I know these players very well, and I know the situation. Whatever lacked in us, the abilities, the confidence can be instilled among these players. This game is all about confidence. You need the youngsters to be guided in proper sense. I feel I can do it at this level. Maybe I will take some time off, but definitely cricket is the only option I will come back in.